second. Oh, 1002.
Well, you asked me to come in
1003. Oh, almost done. 1004.
Are we having staff?
1005. Oh, God. Oh, it's a deep burn. Oh, it's a deep burn, Tiara. Ooh. Oh, jeez. I don't know if you heard, but I did over 1,000. Oh, God, it's a deep, deep burn.
Well, you asked me to come for a staff meeting.
Oh, did I invite you in here? I wasn't aware of that. I forgot all about that. So happy you stopped by, though. Yeah, I was just doing my workout. It's arms and back day. Yeah, it's boring. I know. It's just a part of my life. Oh yeah, my arm. I'm just training for the Fittest Roofer competition. Pretty sure you've seen it. It's a pretty big thing going on online right now.
Yeah.
You guys seen that? Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. So you said we had a staff meeting, huh?
Yeah, we're supposed to be in staff.
Yeah, I'm not sure I'm gonna make it. I gotta go to the gun show.
Okay.
Yeah, it's I gotta bring my guns.
Great. Okay.
Yeah, Fittest Roofer. Hey, I'm in training. No staff meetings till after I'm done training for the Fittest.
I'm out of here.
Fittest
We'll
Roofer.
just do it by ourselves.
Fittest Roofer competition. Thanks, Tiara. See you later. Let me just go ahead and do a little more. Yeah. There we go. Here we go. Yeah, you're going down, Dimitri. Going down. 1,000. 1,001.
Hey, Rick, something's going on with Stan, but are you...
Hey, Tiara. I'm just getting ready for the Fittest Roofing competition.
I can't.
They're all going down. 1,005. Oh, I feel the burn. All the way up into my dorsiflexion. Forget it, Finn.
Hey guys, it's just 1 week left to complete the Fittest Roofer competition. Be sure, tag us, send us your videos at Atlas Roofing, at Roofing Insights. Cannot wait to see your videos. Hey, we don't have what it takes, but we know that you do. Can't wait to see them.